All right, so let's try to understand what is gravitational field. And before even starting that, it's important to discuss what is gravity. So gravity is basically something we all are familiar with, and Sir Isaac Newton actually discovered a very beautiful concept, and he actually developed some principles for us to understand. And he claimed that the masses always attract each other. So if I have a mass here, if I have a mass here, a giant mass, right, and I have another mass which is also giant here, but not, you know, more giant than the blue one. So what's going to happen is this blue giant mass is going to attract this pink or magenta giant mass towards itself. So they are going to be attracting each other, right? So they're going to be attracting each other. So this is the law of gravity. This is the universal law of physics that Sir Isaac Newton discovered. But what is gravitational field? Gravitational field is basically a region in which the gravity of that mass is effective, right? For example, this blue mass is going to attract this pink mass, but let's say there's another green mass right there in the corner. So that green mass is unaffected by the gravity of this blue mass. The reason that it is going to be unaffected is that it is too far away from this blue mass, and the gravitational field of this blue mass is not going to reach the green mass. So we know that gravitational field is basically an area in which the gravity of that thing is effective. So technically the gravitational field extends till infinity, but it goes weaker and weaker as you move away from it, right? So the concept of gravitational field is pretty simple if you understand gravity, that it is the region in which the gravity of something, gravity of that mass is actually effective, right?